Hi, you guys. Here are the directions for today. So if you're a hybrid student at home or a 100% remote student, this is for you, okay? Um, if you're watching this is what you need to do for today. You're going to go to the week 4 folder. You're going to be doing the kitchen basic stations. There are 6 stations, and I'll explain this as quickly as possible so you can get working, okay? So you're going to click on the kitchen basic stations folder in week 4. That's what week we're in. And then this is where it depends on what you click on based off who you are. If you are a hybrid student at home, you're going to click on this one. If you are a 100% remote student, you're going to click on this folder. It's super important to click on different folders based off who you are, okay? So hybrid students at home, click on this folder. There is an assignment, and then you also have all of these stations you can click on for extra support as well, okay? So what you're gonna do, clicking on this, the worksheet, this is where you're gonna document all of your answers for all 6 stations. You are not doing all 6 stations today. You're gonna do 3 of them, okay? So make sure you know. This is your worksheet. I'm gonna open it up so you can see what to expect. I've tried to make it clear for you so you can see when you do them at home or at school. So station 1 is done at school. So if you are a hybrid student at home right now, do not do station 1. The next time you see me, you're going to do station 1, or you may have already seen me, you've already done station 1, okay? So station 1 is done at school with me. So scroll down and you're going to go to not station 2, it's not at school, that's with me, okay? So don't do this one. Station 3, done at school. Don't do this one at home, okay? But so station 1, 2, and 3 are done at school with me. So you're working on those at school with me. What you're going to do at home is station 4. Station 4 is safety in the kitchen, which is done at home. I tried to make it easy for you guys. So step 1, watch this video in your Chromebook. So you're going to watch this video, okay? You're going to read through the kitchen rules slideshow, and it tells you exactly where to find that. It says Station 4 folder in Schoology. I will go show you that too, so you know where to look, okay? And then you're going to answer these questions. You're going to type them into the table below. So here are the questions. What are the 4 expectations when doing a cooking activity? If you don't know this answer because you haven't gone to the slideshow yet, I'm going to show you the slideshow. The slideshow is back in Schoology. And if I go out of here for a minute, I'm going to go back to kitchen basic stations. I'm going into my hybrid folder. There was all these stations listed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can go into station 4. And this has the information that you need. Safety in the kitchen slideshow. You can click on that one. This is a slideshow that will show you all the information about kitchen safety for my class. So you're going to read through this, okay? You're going to read through all of these slides and then answer the questions based off of the slides that you've read, okay? That's station 4. That's my worksheet again. Once you've answered all of those questions in there, okay, you're going to go to station 5. So station 5. Station 5 is reading a recipe. It's done at home. So you're not doing this with me. So this is on your own time during class, okay? So the first thing, part 1, you're going to watch this following video. While you watch, you need to document 3 things you learned from the video below on the table. So as you look here, it says here 3 things you learned from the video. You're going to type right here. 3 things I learned were whatever you learned. Okay. Part 2 is think of your very favorite dinner you have had. Okay. So maybe it's lasagna, maybe it's steak. I don't know. Maybe it's a chicken fajitas. I don't know. Whatever it may be. You're going to look up a recipe online. Any recipe will work for the activity. If you can't think of something, use this recipe right here, okay? So if you want to use your own recipe, then go and find one. You can use anything you want, okay? Or if you don't want to go find one and you don't want to use your favorite recipe, then click on the recipe here. You're going to use the recipe, either this one or the one that you find, to answer the questions below in your cooking station worksheet. So right here, what's the title of the recipe? You're going to type that in and you're going to answer all of these questions, okay? One thing I do want to make sure that you look at is It says read the procedure. The procedure is like how to follow the recipe, right? Are any of the cooking terms above in the recipe? So there's cooking terms listed right here for you. Are any of these words in your recipe? If they are, great. Then type them in here, okay? If they're not, you're going to choose two of them and you're going to type in the definition and type them in here. So say you look up, if they're not in there, so say you look up, I don't know what blanch means. You would type blanch in that section right here and then find the definition. Type it in Google, right? What is the definition of blanch when you're cooking? And it will tell you definition, and you'll put it right here for you, okay? That's station 5. Now, station 6, again, done at home, so not with me. You're going to click on the document in station 6 folder, read and answer these questions. So now I'm going to go back to Schoology again, you guys, but this time I'm going to go to station 6, washing dishes. There's a slideshow in here, so you're going to click on that. It's going to wash dishes is watch this video, so you're going to watch a video. Then it tells you a little bit about dishes, and these are the questions you're going to answer. So back on station 6 in your worksheet you're doing here, you're going to answer the questions right here based off of watching that video and reading those few things, okay? That's where you find it. So then once you're done, station 6 is the last thing. So you're doing station 4, 5, and 6 at home. Now, if you're doing that first before you're in my class, don't submit this yet because you don't want to submit it because station 1, 2, and 3 you're doing with me. If you've already seen me and you've already done stations 1, 2, and 3, then go ahead and submit this worksheet, okay? Now, if you're a hybrid student, you can stop the video and go ahead and get working. If you are a 100% remote student, let me show you what you're going to do. Most of it's the same, so it should be kind of repetition here. Instead of going to the hybrid student folder here, you're going to go to 100% remote students. Use this folder. Okay, now you're going to have a worksheet right here. There's your worksheet for 100% remote students. And all of your things should be attached in here. So station 1, done at home, because you're not ever going to be with me. You're going to watch these videos and answer these questions. Station 2, complete this model, answer every box about cross-contamination. So you're going to do the definition, do some examples of cross-contamination. Station 3, you're going to watch these hand washing videos and answer these questions. Station 4, 5, and 6 are all the same as the hybrid kids because that's the stuff you're going to do at home. So station 1, 2, and 3 you're doing at home as well. And you can do your first day, you can do stations 1, 2, and 3, and then the next day do stations 4, 5, and 6. Don't do all of them in one day, okay? You have 2 class periods to get all of those done. I think that is it. So, and also you guys can Zoom the entire time that I'm teaching my class. If you have questions, I'll be happy to help you. All right. When you're done, go ahead and submit it.